Top 5 drinks for nerve repair. Number 1. Green tea. Rich in antioxidants, green tea helps reduce inflammation and oxidative stress, promoting nerve repair and protecting against further damage. Number 2. Berry smoothies. Berries like blueberries and strawberries contain compounds that supports nerve function and repair, including flavonoids and vitamin C, helping to reduce inflammation and oxidative stress. Number 3. Turmeric latte. Turmeric contains curcumin, known for its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties, which can help alleviate nerve damage and promote healing. Number 4. Coconut water. High in electrolytes and hydration, coconut water supports nerve function by maintaining proper fluid balance and providing essential minerals like potassium and magnesium, crucial for nerve health and repair. Number 5. Ginger lemonade. Ginger lemonade is a refreshing drink that combines the zesty flavor of lemons with the warm, spiky kick of ginger. The ginger in this beverage has anti-inflammatory properties which can help reduce nerve pain and support overall nerve health. Lemons are rich in vitamin C, which aids in collagen production, essential for maintaining the integrity of nerve cells. This drink also boosts the immune system and improves digestion, contributing to overall well-being.